welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing a new wig, and you know I am always excited every time I have to unbox a new item. So guys, this wig is from NADULA Beauty on Amazon, NADULA Hair on Amazon, and it's a 14-inch straight highlight wig, and I'll be unboxing and installing this wig in this video. So guys, stay with me. By the way, I have a get ready with me chit chat video of this look, so if you want to see it, stay tuned on my channel because it will be uploaded next, and I will advise you look out for that video because I have gist, sweet gist in that video for you guys. Hey guys, hit the subscribe button and turn on my post notification. So guys, for those of you who need to know, I got this wig for, I can't remember the amount I bought it for, but I'm going to leave it on the screen for you guys. And yee, this is what is inside the box. I hope you guys can see. This is what's inside the box. And so first thing here is, what is this? What is this? Okay, this is a silk headband, I guess. And guess what? It actually matches my makeup. Wow. Okay, so this is my wig, guys. Okay, let me show you the other items that is in my box quickly. I have a wig cap and a thank you card that says, "Hi Barbie, thanks for choosing NADULA Hair. Smart you, smart me. Wish every package you receive is complete and meets your expectation. If broken or package quality problem is found, please contact us, blah 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 blah. We solve for you within 12 hours. Blah blah blah." And then it has how often do you wash your hair, how to wash your hair, and how to preserve your wigs, I think. Yeah, so that's it. And now to the wig itself. This is this 14-inch straight highlight wig. Okay, and this is it. So okay, this is the wig. So guys, without wasting any time, I'm going to be going straight now to install this wig. Wish me success, guys, because hey, for those of you who follow my channel, you will know that installing a wig is not something that is so easy for me, and it's something I'm still struggling with. So anyways, let's get to installing this wig. guys, this is it for my NADULA straight highlights wig unboxing and installation. If you enjoyed watching this video guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you get to see more of my videos, more of my content all the time, and don't forget to turn on your post notification so you get notified every time I put up a new video. Thanks guys for watching to this end. Don't forget to hit the like button and to drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this hair, let me know what you think about this wig and about this video. Thanks guys, and see you in my next video.